Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today we are going to make our second attempt at smoking a pork booty. This one's a little bigger than the last one that we had, but we've gotten some great advice again from several YouTubers who are a lot more experienced in the smoking meats area than we are. So we are going to try again. And hopefully today we'll get that fall off the bone meat that we're looking for. I am going to start with Watkins smoked maple rub. Watkins has been around since 1868, so I mean it must be somewhat good, right? And we're going to do this very liberally. That was one of the tips that I was given, that I'm not probably putting quite enough seasoning in there. I need to really get that seasoning on there. So we're gonna really season it up. I'm not using the mustard this time. If you watched our last couple of meat smoking videos, I used mustard as a binding agent, etc., etc., and most people, I guess, don't really use that, so we decided to not do that this time. We're just gonna do the seasoning, and we are going to do some spritzing once this has been on the smoker long enough that it's started to form a bark. Then we're gonna start doing some spritzing on it. As soon as we get this grill up to the temp we want, we'll get that booty put on the grill, get it started smoking. What temperature are we looking for today?
230.
About 230 is what we want it to get to, and then we'll leave our pork butt on the smoker for, well, however long it takes to reach the temperature that we want, the internal temperature that we want. Drop it. Oh my, look at that. Okay, so we've got some bark going on here. It's been on the smoker for a little over an hour and a half, almost 2 hours.
About 2 hours, yeah.
And so we are going to start spritzing this about every 30 to 45 minutes with a apple juice, apple cider vinegar mixture. And it's probably still got a good 5-6 hours. Oh, that is looking so yummy. We're about 3 hours into it. Gonna go at least another hour probably, and then we'll check the internal temp. Alright, we checked the internal temp. It is right at 165. We're going to pull it off and take it in and wrap it up. It's looking good. It smells amazing. Got to wrap this up in some foil. I didn't get heavy duty foil. I'm probably going to regret that. Get just a little bit more and wrap it one more time. We're going to put it back on the grill. Bring the temperature up on our smoker. We want it to be more around 250 to 270 probably. And then we want our internal temperature to reach about 203 to 208, somewhere in that area. We got it up to, we're just a smidge over 200 in temperature, so it should have been right around 203. We're going to let this rest for probably about 30 minutes or so, and then we'll start trying to get it off the bone and shredding it up. Hopefully, it sure seems like it's really tender, so hopefully it just falls apart like we're wanting it to. Okay. There's the bone. Let's see if it pulls right out. pretty easy. Woo, that's hot. Let's see if we got a smoke ring or not. Got a little bit of a smoke ring there. Boy, that is tender and juicy though. Much more tender than the last time. Now I just gotta shred this all up. Wow. That is tender. Here we are, all plated up. I chose to do mine as a wrap with a little bit of sour cream and some jalapenos. We got corn on the cob cooked in the Instant Pot, some mustard baked beans. Jesse's is being served on split top hot dog buns. It's overstuffed with the same corn on the cob and mustard baked beans. Now, let's do a taste test. Well,
really good, tender.
Better than last time?
Oh yeah.
Lots better than last time?
Yep.
Cool. Now I'll try mine. So much better than the last time. That was so good. I think we finally perfected smoking a pork booty. Thanks for watching and happy eating!